you like your office? They'll say stuff. Well, really, how you like it there? And they're not going to ask me that. They're going to ask somebody
No.
else, right?
Well, so
And
you're nailing the end, which is the positive future. And so this is the model of what she just said. You have to have a close to something. So because it would be weird for me to ask her join our company because we're not there yet. And she might not even be up to one coaching with me right now. But this is what Haley said: meet with XYZ person that's doing what you want to be doing, So close to something. You always need to, after every conversation, even if it's a quick one, close to what's next. Or there's no like finish or like reason to ever talk again, right? So that's exactly what you just role modeled. So, and that's a great one, is when you end that conversation, you have to end it and put it somewhere or it's nowhere. And then you have nothing to go with. So, positive future, how open minded would you be to meeting with XYZ person who does events and gets like 12, maybe even 20 deals a year off that? I could connect you if you'd be open to it. I'd love for you to learn from someone that's winning in a way that you'd want to. Like, would that be okay? Now, if she said no, like, I don't want to feel obligated, I'd be like, I get it. And yet, we have this event that you could also attend, or I'm just going to back out to get permission to stay in touch. And yet, I will do two of those things.